Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by going into Play Store and installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Settings right away. In Settings, you need to tap on Apps section, then scroll down, select Default Apps and click on one of those options. In my case, Browser app. Now just tap on your new downloaded one that you wish to apply and tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!